Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this first America's Data Science and Python workshop. My name is Arne Nordborg. I'm a geologist by background and will facilitate the workshop. Thank you, first of all, very much for attending. We have called this workshop Data Science and Python Workshop, creating more value by bringing machine learning and AI to the end user. I have worked as a geoscientist and geologist for more than 20 years. And I see that with data science and Python, and not to forget the support from my younger colleagues, I can suddenly use data in ways I never thought of. With today's computing power on top of this, I believe that we have an opportunity to dig deeper into and get a better understanding of the data, and not to forget, make better decisions. Together with external presenters from CGG, Triple Crown Resources, Neptune Energy Norway, and Vine Oil and Gas, together with our Cegal team, I'm excited to introduce our workshop. We had last year the first one in Oslo, Norway, where I'm based, with 40 participants. The plan was then to continue this tradition in Oslo, but we saw the need for and the interest in these workshops. So today I'm extremely proud to say that with more than 200 participants signed up from more than 50 companies. And we really hope that this will be a well day spent. Before we start the main presentation, I would just like to say a few words about our company, Cegal. Cegal is a trusted provider of hybrid cloud solutions, software and consultancy within IT, business consulting, data science, geoscience, and data management for the energy business. Our employees, 440 of them around the world, are located in our head office in Stavanger. We're in Oslo, London, Aberdeen, Dubai, Houston, Calgary, and KL. The combination of IT and domain experience, we believe, makes us unique solution provider to the energy industry. We have a business model based on the delivery of scalable and recurring as a service solutions. This enables our energy customers to scale costs easily, and with significant invest in our products and service portfolio over the last year, we now have a unique offering and are well positioned for the future. Oops. We have a fantastic agenda today, and I'm very much looking forward to listening to the different speakers. Each of the presentations will be running in different time slots. If one ends early, we will wait until the next time slot on the agenda to start. And if you have a busy schedule today, you're free to cherry pick the presentations you would like to attend. Most of the webinars will be recorded, and we will make them available on our YouTube channel after the presentations. You will receive a separate email about this later on. Some practicalities. Each talk will last for about 20 to 25 minutes with a Q&A session afterwards. If there are questions during the talks, please fill this into the questions tab you can see to the right of this slide. And if there are additional things you'd like to ask afterwards, please send questions to our email webinar@cegal.com. I will now give the word to our CEO, Svein, and he will give an overview of what he sees important in the data science world.
Thank you, Stoffe. A little bit echo there, but you just hand the presentation over to me.
You're ready to go now, Svein. Apologize, I was touching my mouse. Go ahead.
Okay. Here. Okay. Thank you very much, Stoffe, and thank you for the introduction. I am the CEO of Cegal, and I would like to welcome you all. Really appreciate that you take the time to join us on this relevant webinar. And I would also like to use this opportunity to give a great thank you to the fantastic team who are presenting for us today. As Stoffe mentioned, we are over 200 participants located both in South and North America for this workshop. And we're also happy to see that there are a few participants outside Americas. So thank you again very much for joining. This is not only relevant because of data science and Python opportunity. It is relevant for the time that we live in. Rapid changes, working conditions, and work balance are driving the demand for thinking differently, work smarter, and use the strength of what new technology offers. And I guess on top of this, we have this COVID-19 that affects us all, and it's accelerate a digital first way of working in an unprecedented speed. According to a study by cloud communication platform Twilio, COVID-19 has sped up digital transformation by 5.3 years. So data science, it's extracting knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. It starts with gathering all the relevant data from different sources, clean it, structure it, and transfer it to understandable formats. Statistical methods and algorithms are used to find patterns and trends. Then models are programmed to make the data ready for interpretation. The goal is to make predictions and decisions based on the available data and to help the business to succeed and stay relevant and competitive in the future. Human intelligence combined with technology helps a business extract greater value from data. This is very relevant for the time we live in, and it's fueled by megatrends like Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, and so on. But in my opinion, the most important for succeeding with data science, it's all about the people with the right skills, the right attitude, and the courage. Being successful in data science is not all about skills and capability to do analytics. It is about people working together and relating to each other. There is a lot of factors for succeeding in business and in work life. In Cegal, we believe that success comes from committed, motivated, and knowledgeable people working together as a team. Technology plays an important role in what we try to achieve. And with our solution, we are solving 3 essential success factors. Collaboration is a key to success. Individuals working together to solve problems across departments, functions, and borders is essential for the business. In Cegal, we are gathering all users and data in a centralized, secured environment, equipped with the necessary processing power and tools that you need in a data scientist workflow. We are giving access to an integrated knowledge platform that is the foundation for digitalization and are giving you the power necessary for making the data ready for interpretation. Sharing increases the productivity of the team. You can work faster and smarter as you have more data and information, cross-application, processes, and departments. In Cegal, we are providing you with the capability, tools, and integration to share data across multiple data and cloud platforms. Cegal's role is to be agnostic integrator, giving you the best solution available for succeeding in your business. Knowledge boosts the efficiency of an organization's decision-making ability. It's the glue that sticks the data together and provides the foundation for interpretation and analytics. In Cegal, we are providing tools, processing power, and domain knowledge to support the business intelligence and the analytic capabilities. All this is three important elements in succeeding with business and data science. There is a lot of data and there is a lot of technology available. But as I said in the beginning, the most important is the people with the right skills, attitude, and courage, working together and relating to each other. So that was my intro, Stoffe, and I will leave the word back to you, kicking off today's presentation. Thanks, everyone, and have a great workshop today.
Thank you very much, Svein, for those words.